Good morning! Good morning, Miguel! Ho, 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 ho. Mahangin sa labas. So today, while I was nagsudlay ko sa akong buhok, Miguel, I saw a lot of white hairs, Miguel. Yeah, this area here. Grabe, Miguel, pares na tayo ng hair. Tayo, pinabunot ko ni kay Baba. Dire, oh, there in the side. Pero meron naman talaga akong one white hair dito kasi sa time na may bangs pa ako, pag ginaganyan ko yung bangs ko, nakikita yung white hair. But now, I have a couple, like mga 5 strands of white hair. Why also Rosai? He's so excited. Whenever he come home, he's excited. Whenever we come down the stairs, he's excited. No, nakita niya si ate. Nakita niya si ate. Yeah, so today, lalakad, aalis na naman kami kasi maghahanap kami ng shoes. Wala na masyadong baligya na shoes. Kasi July na, naubos na nung time na before nagklase, di ba? Kasi August pa yung klase nila ate. This year, wala nang sapatos, yung naiwan yung mga medyo mahal na tapos mga pangit na yung design. Good luck to us. Baka adto na lang ta Gaisano South, Gaisano Satong Gaisano Capital, di ba no? Basa. Naay Gaisano. Ay naay sapatos, di ba? Yeah, because they did not like the design. Uy, ayoko niyan, yung pangit niyan, yan. Dami na lang chichi. Ganyan. Ay! Uy, you biting me, bro? Why biting me, bro? So, yan. We're in a hunt for shoes again. Then, bibili pa kami ng medyas, bra, ano pa? Shender. Ay, ko lang gapog piyo. Magamit gapo na. Diba? Yan, a lot of stuff for the kids. Mo to bito? Kaya basta yun. Wow, I really like the wind today. Nandun yung hangin, no? Sa likod. Yes, of course. Tagalog pulok ko daw ko, eh. Buang. Ay, magkaon sa ta, Miguel, ay. Gonna eat sa, kay gutom na. Breakfast natin is kamote. And coffee, bread, and Dairy Queen. Itadakimasu. Never mind.
Ay, music na.
Wala ka speaker ba?
Nasa ko kaliso.
Aribi. Tudloan ka ang saon. Dali na kayo.
Nalubat man ka. Huwag mo nila ko ma-charge. Sige na ko ka.
Paminaw. Dere o.
Asa peta.
Asa naman itong radyoan eh?
HITEN.
Drink pa siya water. Lol. So we're ready to go and I have my hair braid. Ate braid my hair. I asked her to braid my hair and it looks so weird. But okay lang kasi ang init, guys. I wanted to have my hair away from my face. Yeah, we're ready to leave. It's already it's almost 1 PM na. Ang tagal. Diba, Miguel? So, yun. Pinaandar na ni Rookie yung sakyan and lalayas na kami. Hopefully, makakita na kami ng sapatos, guys. Kasi ang dami pa naming bibilhin. sapatos, socks. Yan nga. I think I already said it earlier. So, yun. So, see you later. Nandito kami. We're here sa aking salon. Baba is there. Ati. Uy! Awi! Tambay kami guys kasi may kinuha kami dito. But, oh wow, I'm gonna spend for you. Why I'm gonna spending? So, magka-uy na.
Ano yung mga kung patong
Hi.
wallet, no? Wallet ba?
Naa. Lagi pa ulit. I have it. Because we're, may kinuha pa kami dito, but nag-chill-chill po lang kami dito kasi, I brought some food for the doggies here kasi may puppies dito and I brought some food for them and they were so excited to see me, guys. They were so happy because I have foodie. Yan. So, ando na ta? We're going na. Oh, are we going? Nandito kami sa Miguelito's Fried Ice Cream. Yan yung kay ate. Nips yung topping ni Mote, no? Namit eh. Muha ba? What's your topping? Chocolate? Droplet? Oh. Lami kayo siya, guys. Miguelito, por favor. Murag kang Miguel na siya nga ice cream, ate, no? Yan na, oh. Nag-ice cream ako. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Until at present. Wow. Give me some. Ako gipon. Tagal mo naman. Butang isa nag-nips. Uy. Masarap. No, uy. Flavor ni Baba. No, 50 pesos lang, guys. Ang dami. Yan kay ate, oh. Diba? Ang laki ito, no? 50 pesos lang. 50 pesos lang. Amazing. Amazing. Ay ko ba? Hi. We're inside. Hi ba? Hi ba? Hi guys. Ganda ng CR niya. Hey friends. Nandito kami sa CR ni Baba. Sa Robinson kayo. Ate, hurry up! Yung CR si ate. Hurry up, ate. Yan, Baba. That's a toilet. Hi, guys. Lupong na daw ba? Magkasitangkad na kami ni Baba. Hindi ko pala kami sa labas na sa akin. Hey! We're here sa...
Pamanta ni Kaon!
Ha? Toys R Us. Hi, T. No, mag-good Toys R Us. Anong sabi mo, Te? Kakain na daw si ate. She's hungry again.
Fries.
Kiss me first. Huh? Kasi na si Papa ito sa likod busy. Wala, uy, na crazy na sila. Tumakbo na sila. Oh my God. Shoes area. Shoes dito.
Wala ipahihay. Pilit.
Oo, kani kay mo bagan. Diyan eh. Ang hirap naman maghanap ng shoes. I feel. Filler kay ka, Te. Ay ba? Filler kay ka ba? Ayaw ba? Tayo na. Tana. Let's go. Finally, may sapatos na kami. And then, we're going to pay this one na. Yan, may medyas and sapatos we finally found. And medyo mura lang siya dito. Sa Robinson's Galleria. Marami pa. We're so happy. Kasi nga, we've been to a lot of stores na para maghanap ng sapatos nila. And, yeah. Finally, makakauwi na kami and Baba is going to eat na. Kahapon pa kami on the search of sapatos. Ayan, mag-check out na tayo. Mag-check out. Magbabahin na tayo, guys. Hindi na ka mukaon?
We go home now.
So, Japan. Wala na. Carefully. Ba! We're going to Daiso, Japan. Ba! I can smell the pop. Potato fries. Potato fries ka, Te. Tao ko, mama. Potato fries ka ba? Saan man mo? Uy, lain na. Sige mo. Potato fries ka, Te. Eh, amo na na. No. Ay, di ba? to. I wanna eat. Unsa ni? Barbie? Ay, Barbie man to akong gikaon niya. Finally, makakauwi na kami. Kauli-o na kay uwi na si Baba. And our dinner is potato corner. Grabe, it's almost 7 p.m. na guys. Ngayon lang kami natapos. So, we're home na guys. And I look so sweaty. Okay lang yan. Kasi I'm gonna take a shower later. And before that, I'm gonna do a mini haul on what we buy today. Yeah. Konti lang. Wow, ang ingay naman yan, te. Look at ate, what are you doing, te? May electric fan kami, guys, na ano. Ito yung maliit na parang ganyan yan. Yung i-clip mo na electric fan. Mini electric fan. So, I'm just gonna do a quick haul on what we buy. What we bought pala. Oh my God. Grammar. What we bought today. So, unahin natin yung ano, yung sa Metro. Ano, Super Metro kasi ano, dun kami nauna eh kasi we're supposed to look for shoes there but wala sa shoes. Pangit yung mga shoes doon. So, first is ano lang naman guys, yung binili namin doon sa Super Metro is yung mga mostly school supplies. Yan, ang dami. So, eto, bumili si ate ng folder. Envelope. And then, yan. Tapos, eto, clear folder ni Baba. And then, yung mga school supplies, eto, dalawang ruler. And then, eraser. Sharpener for me because I wanted yung, eto, yung malaki para sa NYX Jumbo Pencil ko. And then, sharpener ni Baba. And then, ano to, te? Oh, what's this? Basta yung ganito, ano to, compass? No? Compass. Then, bumili din si ate ng, ano, color pencils from Fiber? How do you pronounce it, te? Faber-Castell 24. Tapos, may libre ng, ano, sharpener. Hi, Bon! Let's do a haul ba? Come here ba? Come here. Ano ba? And then, aside from the school supplies, bumili din sila ng, ano to? Socks. Basta ito, yung parang ganito na socks, guys. Ito, dalawa. Only 50 peso each. Mura lang. So, ito kay ate. And then kay Baba, this one too. This is much cheaper. Only 80 pesos. Yung black naman yung kay Baba. And then, TMI, ito, bumili din si Baba ng baby bra. Si ate ng bra. This is very affordable lang guys. Only 149. Tapos kay Baba is only 99 naman from the brand. My first bra. My first bra. And then I also got 2 panties for Baba. This is their Metro Hot Deals. Yan, for school. 2 dalawang ano packs and may tatlo na siyang ano panties and this is only 109 pesos and this one medyo mahal, 129 pesos pala yung isa but okay na din kasi tatlo naman, di ba? And then ate also got some panties, iba yung sa kanya. Ito naman ano, I don't know what, Mary, from the brand Mary. First time ko makarinig ng brand na ito, Mary. Guy, you got the size S, dili M? Gamay kay ni. No, S, O. And then, ito, 5 packs. 1 pack, 5 panties na. Tapos, 249. Let's see the S. I think the S is so small, ate, oh. Ito yung itsura niya. Plain lang, walang ano. Dapat M yung ikuha ni mo, ate. Hala, dapat i-change ni. Asa man ang kuwan ani. Oh my gosh. And then, eto, yung another bra from Sashi. This one is 149 only to. Ayan niya yung ano, yung may wire kara. Eto. So, next, oh my gosh. So, next is yung ano naman, binili namin from Robinson's Galleria. Robinson's Department Store. So, doon kami nakahanap ng ano guys, ng shoes nila because we went all over and hindi kami nakahanap ng shoes. So, this is their shoes from the brand S&H. It's my first time to encounter this brand from a shoes. Usually, it's ET, GB, Cardams, or mga lumang brands ng shoes. But, yeah. Eto. And then, mura lang to guys. It's not as expensive as the GB ones. Yeah. And, I don't know if this will last long sa kanila, but we'll see. And it's very cheap. It's 1/3 the price lang sa GB. What? And then, eto, yung shoes ni Baba. Yan. Pretty naman siya. Sabi ng ng sales clerk that nakatahi na yung, unlike with other shoes brands na hindi nakatahi, kaya mabilis siyang matanggal or whatnot. But ito yung medyo naman, okay naman yung niya ng quality niya. And guess what, how much is this guys? I'm gonna show you. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's only 599 pesos, diba? Mura lang, but like I said, I don't know yet kung maglalast ito ng matagal sa kanila. Kasi parang may sila, kalabaw na fit. Kabaw ilang TL ba kung sabi sa'yo. Then, eto naman yung kay ate. Yan. The same yung may ganyan-ganyan because last year and the other year, yung sa kanya yung parang lang yung stepped in. But now, na? What? Eto na yung gusto nila. Oh my God. So, nalagot siya. Not-dent. So, eto kay ate. And this is also 599 pesos lang din. It's very affordable. Wait. Can't you wait, bruh? Yan yung shoes nila. We're so happy na nakahanap na din kami ng shoes because it's been 3 days na naghanap kami ng shoes. And then, last but not the least, we bought a lot of stocks. This time we bought from the brand XP. I don't know. But ito yung gusto nila guys, yung may kulay dito kasi nga sabi nila pag white all over, madudumihan daw masyado yung socks nila. So we bought 4 packs pala ng socks. So dalawa kay Babat, tapos dalawa kay ate. So, that's it for my haul. Ano po tawag ng haul na to? School supply or children's school needs haul. Yun. So, yun lang. Bye! So, that's it for today's video, guys. It's been a long day. Grabe. And, I feel like I need to take a shower na kasi ang lagkit-lagkit na ng feeling ko. Yeah, it's almost 8 or it's already 8 na. Nauwi. What? Nauwi ko no. Nauli. Murag Bisaya ba? Nauli. Unsa Tagalog nang nauli? Uy, basta dumating. Oh, dumating kami. Nakauwi pala. Oh, nakauwi kami mga 7 plus na. Yon. So, now it's past 8 and definitely mag-good night na ako guys. And yun lang. And I hope you had a wonderful and great day today, as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Bye.